your kitchen holds a secret weapon against today's invisible toxins. My mother always said, "Il veleno è nel piatto, ma anche la cura." The poison is on the plate, but so is the cure. Today I'll show you how to make my Heavy Metal Detox Smoothie, a recipe passed down for generations to cleanse your body like an Italian spring. Ciao belly! I'm Nonna Tina from Italy. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share natural home remedies passed down through generations. Stick with me if you want to heal the body the old-fashioned way. Heavy metals are hiding everywhere. In the air you breathe, the water you drink, even in your mascara. They sneak into your body and cause fatigue, brain fog, and inflammation. But don't worry, Italians never back down from a good detox. Your body already has natural defenders, it just needs a little help. And that's where Nonna Tina's Heavy Metal Detox Smoothie comes in. Let's clean up those toxins naturally. Here's the recipe. Take 2 bananas. Why? Because their potassium kicks toxins out. Take frozen berries. Why? Because their dark magic erases free radicals. Squeeze fresh orange juice. Why? Because of its vitamin C, it armors your cells. Chop that cilantro. Why? Because cilantro's chelators bind and flush metals. Excelente. Take Atlantic dulse. Why? Because its minerals dance in perfect harmony, just like nature intended. Take barley grass and spirulina. Why? Because it is a wonderful nature's deep clean for your cells. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, blend them with care. And there you go. Your Heavy Metal Detox Smoothie is done, like a healing potion in a glass. Enjoy it. Let me remind you what you'll need for this powerful Heavy Metal Detox Smoothie. 2 ripe bananas, 2 cups of frozen wild blueberries, the darker the better one, juicy orange or fresh orange juice, half a bunch of fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon of Atlantic dulse seaweed, and 1 teaspoon of barley grass juice powder with spirulina. Simple natural ingredients, amazing results. Now, before I go, let me give you 2 quick tips to keep you healthy. Make sure to eat broccoli, garlic, and turmeric every day. They're nature's cleanup crew. And stay away from toxins by choosing organic foods and drinking filtered water. Your body deserves better than garbage. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this remedy as much as I love sharing it with you. If this video helped you, fammi un favore. Smash that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Also, tap the bell so you never miss Nonna's healing secrets. Before you go, please write in the comments, what remedies do you need from Nonna Tina next? Stay well, ciao!